Okay, I have this Dorma mortise cylinder lock that I received or bought off eBay. It is a 7-pin. It is locked up. I do not have keys for this lock. So if Jeff or anyone else has some keys that fit this 7-pin lock, please let me know. I will can use the 6-pin keys. I can just file them down a little bit, lengthen them to make them work in these 7-pin locks. So if anyone has any keys that fit this, please let me know. Okay, let's start here at the back, work our way to the front. Got a little bit up out of pin 1, so it must have a serrated spool in it, or a serrated pin, I mean. Okay, pick won't get under that last pin, so have to use a different pick to get under it for right now. Let's restart it. Let's just start at the front here and catch pin 1. Okay, we got about 3 clicks out of it. Okay, a little bit out of pin 5. Pin 6. Pin 7. Okay, a little bit of falset out of pin 2, I believe. Okay, a little bit more out of pin 3. Must have a spool. See if we can get a different pick under it. Let's go ahead and start at the front and check all our pins on the way back. I think they're all set except for that one pin. Feels like it's pin 3. Okay, we got a little bit out of pin 3 then. Still getting some out of one of the pins. I believe we dropped some pins then. Okay, I believe we got our false set back. Must have a low hanging pin. Let's go back to the front. Still pin 3, there it is. Okay, it's open. Okay, let's open it up and look at the pins. Try not to lock it up since I don't have a key. Okay. Alright, let's, you can see that all the pins are in the lock. Okay, pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 6, pin 7. They're all standard pins. Nothing unusual about the plug. It's just a standard plug. Let's check the top pins. Okay, there's a serrated pin. Come out just like that. There's a spool. Another serrated pin. Oops, sorry about that. Another spool popped across the counter. Another serrated pin, just like that. Or is that a spool? You know, it's a serrated pin. Okay, there's another spool. And there's a serrated pin, I believe. Okay, let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, those four. These are all standard pins on the bottom. Serrated pin, a factory serrated pin, factory spool, factory serrated pin. Looks like it's a little bit smaller pin. And a spool. Now the next three, or the last three. This is a serrated pin, spool, and a serrated pin. So that's what we have in this Dorma 7 pin. Looks like I will be repinning this lock to something different, but I need a key to do it, so I'd appreciate if someone can come up with some keys for me. I'd appreciate it. I need about 6 keys for these 3 locks. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it, and please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal.